Hello and welcome to Steve's Vintage Model Builds. How's everybody today? I try to keep politics off this channel, do the best I can. And a couple things to note of things going on in the Middle East. If people are following it, they kind of know what's going on. If they're not following it, then I guess they don't care. But for those who do care, a couple of interesting notes. The first one being that on October 2nd, that is yesterday, the IDF Chief of General Staff, General Hilavi, and the heads of Mossad and the internal Israeli security force, Shin Bet, met at a highly secured government location. And something big is going to happen very soon. I expect within the next, probably within 24 hours, and will probably continue throughout the weekend in one form or another. For those who are interested in maybe a bit more in-depth analysis, I did produce both a Substack and a full commentary and analysis on my alternate channel. It's called My Take on It, and I'll provide links to both in the description. As I said, I try to keep politics off the channel. Our hobby, it's for fun, it's for fellowship, and it's for creativity, and there's too much politics and everything everywhere anyways. So try to keep that a politics-free space. So, in any case, having said all that, with everything going on, a lot of people are nervous, a lot of people are worried, and in some ways maybe they should be. I'm not, but you may learn why if you watch the video I just mentioned. Okay, so so today we're going to look at something a little bit different, and we're going to actually do some assembling today. Okay, so first of all, get this out of the way. That's the star of the show. I have some of these. Most of us know what they're about. Let me turn on a light here. Hope there's not too much glare. There. I think that's good. Okay, so I've got some of these. They call them silver paint markers. High gloss liquid mirror, chrome, whatever you want to call it. This pack has 3 different sizes. Obviously a big fat one. I'm not sure how big this one is. This one's 7 millimeters, and the other one are 0.7 millimeters. What does it say here? This is 1 millimeter, and this is 0.7 millimeters, and this one's 3 millimeters. So if you got some honkin' chrome to do, there you go. Excuse me. Cost me about 14 bucks off Amazon. As I said, I have some, but I figured I better order these in case Trudeau, Little Lord Trudeau, decides to ban those too. Excuse me. Okay, so now on to the star of the show. Now, I showed something like this just last week. Oops. And it was a little bit disappointing. I don't think this will be, though. This is a 3-tier display case for vehicles. One, that's the base. 2, first floor or second floor, third floor, 4th floor. We also get a package here of different backdrops, and this also has sliding doors. So I don't see any instructions. Shouldn't require rocket science, which is a good thing because I ain't no rocket scientist. As anybody who watches this channel knows. There we go. But you know, I've been accumulating so many cars in the stash that yeah. See, so it fits in there like that, nice and snug. Get a nice background there, and so let's see how this goes. Does this have a peel off? Yes, there's a peel off film here. These are the sides, I guess. Is there a peel off film here? Okay. I'm going to take a pause and get that film off. You don't need to watch me doing that. And break another fingernail. Just a moment, please. Okay, sorry for that interruption. And before we continue on about that alternate channel, I created that specifically to create other content unrelated to model kits. As I said, you know, want to keep this channel to model kit. So I think I'm going to be doing a short update a little later today, which I will post, and it'll be ready for my UK friends in the morning, and then they'll find out that I was right in most of the things that I said. Huh? Okay, so okay, here we go. All right, this is not complicated. All I had to do was take off the film, and we've got 3 levels here. I guess it's a Chinese garage with an English call box. Or maybe it's Hong Kong. I don't know. Anyways, so this one goes on the bottom because when everything's put together, you're not going to be able to see this, and I don't want anybody to see that. There we go. And then we get these side pieces. As you can see, there's no bluing here. And this is good for 125 or 124 cars. These pieces will need to be washed, but I'll take it apart later. Okay, and then we have the sliding door here. We'll set those aside, don't need those right now. Okay, and yeah, these levels are all pretty much the same. And so tab A goes into slot B. Sorry guys. Being obstreperous. There, that one sure fits in there nice and snug. Good. Here's what we'll do. There. here. Oh, and I mentioned there were a couple of pieces of information. Certain preparations need to be made for what's about to be done, and those preparations are almost complete. I'll leave it at that. Actually, I should say my understanding is. Well, there's that side. Well, maybe not, Kef. Makes more sense to have this on the bottom. Go. There we go. And then these slide across. No, I gone and did a plastic monkey. Ha! Okay, I'm gonna have to figure. I'm not gonna keep you guys on this. But anyway, so it goes together like that. Here's what it looks like when it's done. So you get 1, 2, 3 tiers plus the top. This is a 132, but to give you an idea, there it is. Isn't that nice? Much happier with that than the other one I bought. Also seems to be accurate scale-wise. Okay, so that's it for this video. And thanks to everyone who joined me. And as I said, I encourage others to go over to the other channel there. And if you have any interest at all in that kind of thing, I think you'll find that I have some very interesting and let me get my whole head on here. There we go. Some very interesting and accurate information. All right, so thanks so much. Always great to see everybody, or virtually see everybody. You know, a lot going on. Live, love, laugh, and fart in their general direction. There you go. That's about all we can do, isn't it? Except light up our own little part of the world. Okay, thanks again, and we'll be seeing you next time.